Whether you're unsure on how to decorate with sparkle, metallic, or any type of bling heat transfer material, keep watching because I'm going to show you how to use those unique materials in 3 different ways. What's up everyone, I'm Kelly Walters and today we are decorating with some glitter, some metallic, and some reflective glitter. Now we're gonna add some sparkle to your decoration today, and if you're a little uncomfortable with, using something that has a little bit of bling to it, that's okay because I'm gonna show you 3 easy ways to increase your profits. Now remember, simply by adding just a little pop of metallic to a design, even glitter, or anything that's just a little unique, you're already going to warrant a higher price. So today we're gonna decorate and I'm gonna show you how to increase those orders. So the first product we're gonna start talking about today is metallic. Now, the cool thing about this product is if you're not really wanting to show a lot of sparkle, this can be a great option for those that are just really kind of getting into that unique or specialty material. Now we are going to decorate using Ultra Weed. So this is going to give us a matte finish, and simply by using a shadow effect or little highlights, we're only adding just a little bit of that metallic, but it's really going to completely change this garment. Up next, we've got glitter reflective. Now this is Ultra Color Max. So we're going to have that full color capability on the front of the shirt. But by adding just a little bit of a pop, we again are increasing our prices to our customers. But this is actually a reflective product. So not only, say, for the cheerleaders, spirit, or dancers, are they gonna get that sparkle, but if they are in the night, they're also going to have that reflectivity. All right, now still utilizing Ultra Color Max, we're going to turn around and we are going to use Glitter Flake. Now we're going to personalize, as you can see here, so not only are you capitalizing on those sales for personalization, but you're increasing the cost of personalization because you chose to go with a specialty material, which would be Glitter Flake. So let's head to the press. All right, so we are at the Hotronix AutoClam. Now this is a 16 by 20 unit, and I do have our 11 by 15 platen in here. First up, we're gonna decorate with that Ultra Weed and that metallic. Now, because this is a 2-layer application, we're gonna tack down our Ultra Weed first and finish for the full time with our metallic. Now, I've already pre-pressed our garments. We don't need to pre-press again. And I'm only gonna tack down for about 3-4 seconds. And this is a hot peel. So as soon as this lifts up, we're gonna peel our carrier. And then we can apply our metallic. Now remember, this is all about shading. So we don't need to worry about lining up too much. With Ultra Weed, we can layer on top. So our metallic should layer just fine. Now we're gonna finish for the full time of 8 to 10 seconds for our metallic. Now the only difference is that this is a cold peel. So what we're gonna do is take this off the press, set it down, and then we'll keep moving on. All right, now here's a quick little tip. If you're working with metallic and you want to change up the way that metallic actually looks on the garment, you can tap it with your press for just a couple of seconds and you go from a really high gloss look to a brushed metallic. Just a couple of seconds. Make sure you use your cover sheet. And now you've changed the way that that metallic looks. All right, up next is our Ultra Color Max. Now, I did show you a garment that we're gonna decorate next, which was already decorated, but don't worry, I am gonna show you how to apply it. So this is our Ultra Color Max. We're gonna apply it for 15 seconds, and then we are going to come in with our reflective glitter and then apply those stars. Like I said, our garment's already been loaded, and we did pre-press. Now this is also a hot peel, but our glitter reflective is going to be a peel warm. So we just want to make sure that that cooled down before we peel it. And of course, if you see any lifting, then stop what you're doing. Now these stars are really just going to sit around this pom-pom. So you just want to make sure that you don't have any layering on top of Ultra Color Max because your product will fail. So you want to make sure that those stars are attached to the garment versus your Ultra Color Max. All right, last but not least is our glitter flake. Now the front of this garment is already decorated with our Ultra Color Max, so now it's time to come in with that personalization. I'm gonna go about 4 or 5 fingers down from the neckline. And this is a hot peel as well. Once this pops up, we'll be able to peel that carrier and your garment will be finished. All right, check it out. All right, between all 3 of those garments, we've given you a couple of options to decorate with. Don't be afraid, and just remember your customers are going to absolutely love when you offer them bling, sparkle, or anything that's a little bit unique. Go out there and increase those orders, and happy decorating.